when it comes to AI, you might have heard of ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini. Well, today I have come across another platform with an answer to these AI platforms, and this platform can also make videos. Well, are you curious to which one? It's none other than Meta. Today I'm going to be testing out Meta AI, and let's see how it compares to the others. Please stay tuned to this video and subscribe to this channel and comment on this video. This is J Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. That's right, I'm going to be testing Meta.ai today, and the interface looks much like ChatGPT, where you can create a new chat and you can search your previous chats, and they have something called Vibes here, where Vibes is you can look at videos and pictures that have been produced on the platform, and then also you can go to Create, which Create allows you to create your own videos or pictures generated by AI. And so this platform can also create videos, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new video. I'll probably make a video about a space battle. Let me craft a prompt for you guys, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I have crafted the prompt for this. It's an epic space battle between two fractions, including their respective motherships and fighter ships, fighting each other in an all-out war over a planet. And let's see what that comes up with, and it should give me several variations to choose from. And let me go ahead and generate that. And once it's generated, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. And if you don't tell it to specifically make a video, it will go ahead and make a picture. However, in order to make it into a video, you can also hit the animate button. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the animate button and see what that comes up with. And also you can see the different variations of the space battle. And I'm going to go ahead and hit animate on that particular image, and let's see what it comes up with. Alright, it has finished my animation, and it does produce it pretty quickly. Let's see what it has come up with. Okay, well, I mean, it's decent. I'm kind of wondering how it will do with the starting from scratch as a video. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm gonna retry that, and I'm gonna go ahead and this time have the similar prompt, but at the beginning I'm gonna say make a video, and let's see what it comes up with. Alright, so we have produced the videos, and now let's see what it looks like. Okay, well, it does look very similar to it making an image first and then going ahead and animating it. They also have the regular chat feature, which is here, and which you can choose from. You can have the thinking one and the instant. And the thinking, of course, reasons for a bit longer. And I'm going to show you something I did with the chat earlier that is interesting. Earlier, I told it to make a web page that changes colors every 5 seconds. And it actually came up with this really cool web page here that I can even see in a preview window here, which actually automatically changes color every 5 seconds. And I can click here and it will expand it into the website. And here it has the text of the color, and the actual color of the whole page changes. And also, you can pause it where it will pause, you can resume it where it can resume, and you can also make it go ahead and change without taking the full 5 seconds. And so I think this is really cool, and it did a good job with this. And well, I mean, other than that, it's very similar to ChatGPT and other similar large language models. And that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you so much for watching the video. And as always, peace.